Ever wish Jeep made a Wrangler pickup? Well, now they do, and it's called the Jeep Gladiator. From this point forward, the Gladiator is just like a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. But as you can see, they've lengthened the frame and they've made it stronger. They've added 19 inches to the frame, and that allows them to put a 5-foot bed back here. It can haul as much as 1,600 pounds of payload and tow 7,650 pounds of trailer. Those two numbers are tops in the class of the mid-size 4x4 crew cab division. This thing's a real truck. The Gladiator's bed is about 5 feet long. It's within an inch of that of the Tacoma. It's not uncommonly wide, but the tailgate opening is, and as you can see, it easily holds a couple of motorcycles. Sitting in the back, you'd swear you were in a Wrangler Unlimited. I mean, everything forward looks the same. But these seats, they're in the same position relative to the front seats of a Wrangler Unlimited as well, so there's as much room as there is in that vehicle. But they do fold in interesting ways. You've got a nice flat load surface here, or you can fold the bottom up and access a storage compartment. Pretty clever. As you can see, the top comes off. You can get a 3-piece hard top or a soft top. And the doors come off as well, and the windshield folds because, after all, this is a Jeep, right? The thing about the Gladiator's wheelbase is it's significantly longer than that of a crew cab Tacoma, and that could spell trouble for the breakover angle. I think they're going to do a real strong business in skid plates, lift kits, and oversized tires. But that's okay, because the frame rails on the back of this thing are spaced far enough apart that a 35-inch spare will fit underneath. I'm really excited about the new Gladiator. I can't wait to drive it. I mean, this thing is really going to upset the apple cart in the mid-size truck segment. If you knew what you wanted to buy before, you're going to have to start all over. This thing is pretty cool. If you want to read more about this, because there's more details on our website, click the link above. And for more videos like this, click subscribe.